Hello lecture laners. Today we'll be looking at solving simultaneous equations via substitution. Hope you enjoy. So there are three main methods to solving any simultaneous equations. We have substitution, elimination, and the graphical method. Today we'll be looking at substitution. Let's look at our first example. So here we have two different equations which we need to solve simultaneously. Our first step is to always number each equation. Now, when doing substitution, we're going to try and isolate one pronumeral so that it's by itself with a coefficient of 1. Now, in this case, equation 1 is already set up like this, so it's nice and easy. The next thing we're going to do is substitute that equation into the other. So where we have x plus y equals 6, we're going to substitute y equals 2x into the second equation's y. So what I mean is, we'll now have x plus 2x equals 6. So we've basically inserted the 2x into where the y is in the other equation. All we have to do then is solve for x. So collecting like terms, we'll get 3x equals 6. X is going to equal 2. Then all we have to do to find out what y is to substitute x back into one of the equations. In this case, I'll choose the first equation. So we'll have y equals 2 times 2. So therefore y is equal to 4. Our answer, x equals 2, y equals 4. Let's look at another one. So I'm going to start off by labeling equation 1 and equation 2, just so they're easier to refer to later on. We already have y as a subject in one of the equations. So I'm going to substitute 1 into 2. So what we'll have now for equation 2 is 2x plus x plus 2 equals 11. Collecting like terms, we'll have 3x plus 2 equals 11. We subtract 2 from both sides, we'll get 3x equals 9. And dividing by 3, we'll get x equals 3. We're then going to sub x into equation 1. So y will equal 3 plus 2, which equals 5. So our answer is x equals 3, y equals 5. Let's look at one more harder version. So I'm going to label our two equations, 1 and 2. However, for equation 1, you'll notice that we don't have either x or y as the subject. So we're going to have to change the equation so that that is the case. So if I subtract 3x from both sides on equation 1, I'll now have y equals 13 minus 3x. Let's call this equation 3. What I'm going to do now is substitute 3 into equation 2. So what I'll get is 5x minus 2, 13 minus 3x equals 7. Now if I expand that out, I'll get 5x minus 26 plus 6x equals 7 through expansion. Then if I collect the like terms, I'll get 11x equals 33, x equals 3. Now if I substitute x into the third equation, I'll get y equals 13 minus 3 times 3. So 13 minus 9 is 4, y equals 4. So our answer is x equals 3, y equals 4. Alrighty, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for simultaneous equations being solved graphically and via elimination, and I'll see you in the next one. Please like and subscribe.